Silver atom has incompletely filled d orbital. d10 in its ground state. How can we say that it is a transition element? Because it belongs to 11th group of the d block with electronic configuration 4d10 5s1. It shows an oxidation state of +2 in its compound like AgO and AgF2, in which its electronic configuration is 4d9. So it is a transition element which is partially filled d orbital. Properties of transition elements. Now we can study the properties of transition elements. First is atomic radius. Atomic radius of an atom is the distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell containing electrons. It is directly related to the number of shells filled in an atom and is inversely related to effective nuclear charge experienced by the valence electrons. This you study in class +1 also. The effective nuclear attraction depends upon nuclear charge and repulsive force felt by valence shell electrons from the electrons in the inner shell, called shielding effect of the inner electrons. So shielding effect is directly related to the number of electrons in the inner shells and the type of subshells containing the electrons. Shielding is more in S than P, than D, and then F. So screening effect increases the effective nuclear charge. When screening effect increases, effective nuclear charge decreases, which decrease the ionic radius. For transition elements, atomic radii decreases irregularly with the increase in atomic number in a series, and the decrease becomes very small after midway along each series. There is increase in nuclear charge as well as additional electrons enter into the penultimate orbit, which raise the screening effect. Initially, the effect of nuclear charge dominates, so there is decrease in size, but toward the middle of the series, these two factors neutralize each other, and so size remains almost same after mid element of the series. Now at the end of the series, the number of electrons in D subshell have significantly increased, and so electron repulsion causes the increase in size due to expansion of the electron cloud. Therefore, in 3D series, we can see that first there is a decrease in size and then almost remain constant. But at the end element, zinc, is having increase in size because of fully filled D subshell because of electronic repulsions.